Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Design Excellence. So friends, this is our today's exercise in MicroStation, and this is our exercise number first in 2D. If you have any doubts, then please comment and please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. So friends, firstly make a new sheet, click on MicroStation and click on new file and give a file name, size number 1. Sheet should be 2D sheet. If you are going to make a 2D drawing, then it will be 2D sheet. Okay, then click save. Now click the exercise number 1 and open. So let's off the grid first. Now we are going to make level. Okay, in this MicroStation we can import from another drawing. Let's import 1 2 3 number drawing and open. These are the level is used in 1 to 3 number drawing. If we want, let's clear selection and select hidden and center, outer line and dimension. Okay, we want these fours. Click OK. So you can see these 4 levels is import in our exercise number 1 drawing. Okay, you can make simply go there and new level and just rename or select the color. Okay, Control Z. So these are the 4 level we import. Okay, close. So this is our exercise. So note the dimension. Firstly we draw all the circles and arc. Okay, go to the level and select outer line. Okay, and select a circle. Let's draw a circle. Go to the diameter and this diameter is, sorry, we select radius because in our dimension is giving the radius. This is 7.5. Okay, first circle. Now a center line, select 65 millimeter and this dimension from this center is 35 millimeter. Now draw a second circle, select the radius of 10 millimeter. Okay, now go to the next circle, select a line and this dimension is 45 millimeter. 45 millimeter and from that point 15 and this also 15 means 30 millimeter. So this is our third circle and this one is 7.5 millimeter radius. Okay, now draw another circle. Let's take a line and copy this line 5 millimeter. Okay, and from that point copy this line also 30 millimeter. Okay, this is our center, and this circle is same as 7.5. Okay, now draw the radius, outer radius. Okay, let's draw first 15 millimeter. Okay, second one, this one also 15 millimeter, and this one also same as 15 millimeter, and this one is 20 millimeter. Okay, now make the center line, change the level, it should be center. Okay, press the control button and select all lines and make it center. Okay, copy this line and place on this circle, stretch like that. Okay, move this line also. Okay, delete this one and move this line also and stretch. Same, Ctrl Z, and now move this line also. Okay, last line, let's trim this line, partially delete. Okay, move this line. Okay, so these is our center lines. Okay, let's trim the extra portion. Okay, now draw the fillet. Okay, now draw the vertical and horizontal line and fillet. Okay, let's draw from that point. Take a line, click on the point, and length should be 10 millimeter. Okay, and this type incline line, and length, let's take 50 millimeter. Okay, now draw a fillet of 5 millimeter. Fillet 5 millimeter. Okay, now draw from that point, click on line, click on that point and enter and click from that point. Okay, now fillet 5 millimeter. Okay, now take a fillet of 15 millimeter from that circle and that circle. Okay, Now click align again, and from that point it should be 45 millimeter, and straight portion is 115. Okay, now click enter, and from that point click the end circle. Okay, now make a fillet of 5 millimeter. Sorry, let's change 5 millimeter. Okay, and our fillet portion is complete, I think. Okay, now draw some chamfer. 7.5. Okay, we don't have the dimensions, so we take 7.5. Now delete the extra portion. Let's select partial delete. Okay, okay. Now make a slot. This slot. Okay, let's take a line first. Length and angle. Length we take 30, angle we take 40. Okay, now take offset, move parallel. Okay, distance and keep original should be tick, and distance should be 7.5. Okay, and draw some circle, one circle and one circle there. Now trim the extra portion. Okay, and place this slot the exact position. Change the alignment as true. Click on this point, and the radius center point it should be 40. So move 4.2294. Okay, select this slot and move 4.224. Okay, this is our center line. Extend this line. Okay, and draw one more line. Okay, now move. Now copy. Okay, now give the dimension. I already make a video on how to change dimension or how to create dimension in MicroStation. Let's select element and dimension style and click on style, same as level import. We can import the dimension, click on import and select the file and click OK. Now activate this dimension and let's dimension. Okay, this dimension is big, so let's change. Go to element, dimension style, change the text height, lock, save and yes to all. Now this is looking great. Okay, so let's give the dimension. Firstly, this radius should be 15 millimeter. So select dimension radius and 15 millimeter, and this circle 7.5. Okay, and this radius 20, 10, 15, 7.5, same. Okay, and this should be 7.5. Okay, and some fillet. This is our same fillet, and this one also. Okay, complete. Now give the linear dimension. Select the linear dimension. Okay, 65, and from that point it should be 105. From that point it is 10 millimeter. Okay, now the angular dimension. Click on this angular portion and click this line, and this line should be 15 and this will be 45 degree. So let's extend this center line. Okay, move this dimension with this tool, modify dimension. Okay, let's dimension this portion 115. From that point it is 45 millimeter. Okay, and the center, first center, this is 35 millimeter and it is 45, and this one is 30 millimeter. Click right click to exit and escape. Okay, now from that point this dimension is 30 millimeter. Okay, modify dimension to move the text. Okay, now click the dimension and set as true. Click on this point and this point, 30 millimeter. Okay, so our exercise is complete. If you have any doubts, then please comment, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.